A&H Consultant welcome you in. This Google Gemini AI represents the future of artificial intelligence. Developed by Google DeepMind, it is a next-generation multimodal platform that natively understands text, images, audio, video, code, and PDF documents, built to empower the modern world. Gemini is the result of a decade of innovation. From the founding of Google Brain in 2011 and the acquisition of DeepMind in 2014, to the 2017 Transformer breakthrough and the rapid evolution from Bard to the latest Gemini 2.5 models, this technology continues to push the frontier of AI. Gemini integrates natively across Google Workspace. Its powerful capabilities include AI-driven research, a collaborative coding assistant, advanced analysis of images and data, real-time voice conversations via Gemini Live, and seamless support for large documents and datasets across all your devices. In daily life, Gemini serves as a versatile assistant. It helps students with research, supports employees with emails and reporting, assists teachers in lesson planning, enables freelancers to manage communications, and provides essential tools for content creators and software developers. For businesses, Gemini drives measurable impact across every function. It streamlines HR processes, boosts marketing and sales through lead analysis, automates finance and legal operations, and enhances IT workflows, ensuring productivity and efficiency at scale. Mastering Gemini requires effective prompt engineering. By utilizing the framework of role, context, task, output format, and constraints, you can generate precise, high-quality results across diverse needs, from professional email drafting to complex coding tasks. When compared to the broader AI landscape, Gemini leads in ecosystem integration and multimodal performance. While other models excel in specific reasoning or coding tasks, Gemini offers a comprehensive and competitive suite of enterprise-ready features and real-time information access. While Gemini offers powerful advantages like deep analysis and secure collaboration, it is important to remember its limitations. Paid plans may be required for advanced features, and users should always verify AI-generated output for accuracy and privacy. Looking ahead, the future of Gemini is expansive. We expect to see advancements in autonomous AI agents for multi-step workflows, breakthroughs in healthcare and scientific research, personalized education at scale, and tighter integration within wearable technology and mobile devices. In summary, Gemini's evolution, integrated features, and transformative impact define a new standard for intelligent assistance. Thank you for watching. For more information on empowering your organization through AI, please contact A&H Consultant via the email anhconsultant1@gmail.com.